In this video, I'll show you how you can accept payments on your Wix website. So you want to go to Wix, then go into your backend of your website, and then you want to click on settings right here. Next up, you should have the option to click on, let's see, where is it? It should be somewhere here, right there, accept payments. I probably missed that the first time, but click on accept payments right there. And then right here, you can actually set up the payments and make sure to accept them. So right there, your business is located in, you can then choose your country. So I'm in the Netherlands right now, and you can then choose these different payment options. So you can, for me, I can use Ideal, online bank transfer, Alipay, and manual. So all you need to do is select the payment methods that you want to accept, and then click on Connect Me right here. And what it's going to do right now is going to load them. It's going to set them up as well. So you've added these payment methods to your site and you can then see them, okay? Now all you need to do now is go on here and you can then complete the setup for every single payment option. So we have Wix, we have Ideal, we have online bank transfer, Alipay, which is Stripe. We have manual as well. And we have PayPal as well. So if you want to use PayPal, accept PayPal, you want to click on Setup Account to activate. And that's pretty much what you need to do with all of these payment processors. You just want to make sure to set up the account. So all you need to do for each and every single one of these is click on Complete Setup. And you then set up the payment method, okay? So step number one is pretty much adding them to your website so that you can accept them. And right here, you can then start setting them up. And there you go. So right there, you can then enter your personal details basically. So your name, maybe your company. So set this up right there, enter your bank account, and that's how you can set up the payment methods. And it works exactly the same for all the other payment providers and processors. So that's pretty much how you can accept payments on Wix. Once again, accept them and then enter all of your personal information and you should be fine. So if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.